sure it says no vehicles, doesn't it, down through there?
Yeah, well, you see that gate there, that swings across, doesn't it, and blocks the road off.
Yeah, no vehicles 10 AM to 6 PM.
Yeah, that's fair enough, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, 10 AM to 6 PM, 15th of May. So we could go down there.
Shall we, yeah, let's go down there then.
Well,
Get a picture of the cove. Without walking.
Good.
Yeah, I was just letting this kid go.
Getting attacked by hairy dogs. I mean, it is lovely down here, isn't it? Look at it all set into the hills.
Yeah, you can see why it's so popular, can't you?
Oh yeah.
Do you know what that is? It's busier down here now than it was.
Yeah.
When I come down sort of early summer season.
He stood there shaking his head.
It's not like we're tearing down Shore, is it?
No.
And it is legal.
Yep.
It's definitely not May yet, and it's gone way past September. How far do you want to go? I might turn around here. Just think that boat's right where I normally turn round.
That what?
They've got a boat on the left, right where I normally turn round. You don't want to drop your back wheel over the back of there, do you?
No, Christ. That's a fact. Annoy everyone again. Yeah. It's the old boy in the red jacket. He was there shaking his head and going. But like you say, it's not that's him, look with the red gilet on. Miserable git. Yeah. You want to moan at him now for walking in the road? Look at him. Yeah. Oh, bust a blood vessel. He's still moaning.